What's your name?
Samir.
And yours?
Jamal.
And yours?
Porque yo, si tiene cosas en francés, te contesto.
I
Pero
can say
en
in French,
español
what's
no
your
sé,
name?
no hablo malo.
Habla un poco.
Hablo malo.
I can say
Jean-Pierre.
okay.
Jean-Pierre.
And where are you from?
Líbano.
And you? And you France. And how long have you been living here?
15 years.
13 years. All of you 15 years.
20. It's a good.
25.
25.
No, but believe me, 25.
And what do you like the most about Spain?
In Marbella, the most we like the weather. And the lack of pollution.
And would you like to go to your home country or would you like to stay here?
I think I like to go to my own country at the end of the day.
And you two feel the same? Okay.
French.